Hi friends, my name is Himanshu Mittal and I'm a sales coach. So I would like to share one incident what happened today with me. I was on a call with one of my friend. She's a doctor, and during the call she was sharing that there are two types of doctors nowadays. One who keep learning new things, who used to upgrade themselves, and every year they are just learning new things which is according to technology. And on the same time there are some doctors who are working in their comfort zone and working on the traditional processes only, right? So though I respect doctors, they are like god to us, they are helping us a lot, but today we're going to touch base the business aspect, right? So what is happening? The doctor who is investing lakhs of rupees every year, who is investing his precious time every year, is not getting the proper ROI. Why? Because he is not able to pitch his advanced treatment process to the patient correctly. Maybe due to some fear or hesitation or something, I don't know. But there is something which puts them back. So then I realize, like doctors, there are some self-employed people or some specialists who are on the same page. You see the example of teachers. There are some teachers who has n number of students. There are some people who has very less students in their tuition. Take the example of lawyers. Take the example of architect. Take the example of engineers. There are many engineers. There are many press shop works who in the industrial area near to us. And some of the engineers are getting very less job. Some of the engineers are getting very huge jobs to work. So apart from the technical skills, so what is the one thing these both category of people are having the difference with them? So what is the one thing these people are lacking who is struggling to a job or the patient or the students? So the one thing is sales skills, selling skills, or to be precise I would say people skill. See, even if you are not treating sales as your full-time job, but you have to learn sales, because see, sales is not a profession, it is a way of life. You are doing sales every day. You have to learn sales. So I would like to share some key things, some very important things which you can use, which these self-employed people can use even if you are not a full-time salesperson. So if you apply these things, then you will see some change. You will definitely see some change in your business. So number one, treat your customer very comfortably. Make him comfortable with you, right? I would say the name customer. It might be a patient, it might be a student, but as we are talking on the business part, so we will use the word customer in this video. So don't be rude, don't be harsh, even if you have the authority, but make him feel comfortable with you. Let him be have a smile on his face. I've seen doctors who treat their patient very rudely. So I'm not going on to those things, but this is the one key thing. Number two, listen to your client, listen to your customer. There might be some cases where their problem in the first or second minute of their talking, but listen to them properly. They might have some genuine concerns. They might be wanting to share their genuine problems with you. They might be having some fear or so. Listen to them. So this will make them more attached to you, more connected to you, right? Number third. So this is the first thing. The number third is the first thing, but I am putting on the last because I want to stress on this thing. See, serve people from heart. This is the first thing of a salesperson or of any person. You see any top executive of any company. See, the people who are growing, they have the tendency to serve people from heart. You take example of Anand Mahindra, you take example of Ajit Premji. Like they have the something to help people. See, don't be money minded. Money is the byproduct. It will come. It will surely come. But first, serve people from heart. If you start serving people, if you start giving value to the universe will start giving value to you. I hope this makes sense to you.